Very good morning children. Welcome to Narayana Lab Classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 9 from ninth class. The topic is surface areas and volumes from exercise 10.1. So let us see the first question. The base of a prism is triangular in shape with sides 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. The volume of prism of its height is 10 cm. Okay. First of all, this is the relevant triangular prism whose base is right angle triangle. So sides are 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Let us to find what is the value of this one. The sides of triangular base is A is equal to given that let us take A is equal to how much, 3 centimeter, and B is equal to 4 centimeter, C is equal to 5 centimeter. Now if you want to find volume of prism, volume of prism volume of triangular prism so what is the relevant formula? Is equal to V is equal to area of the base into respective height of prism. Okay, this is nothing but what V is equal to area can be represented capital A into H, height of triangular prism, where A is nothing but what, if we want to find A, this can be obtained from Heron's formula. How to find area of the given triangle? This can be taken by the Heron's formula, that is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So where S is nothing but what, it is A plus B plus C by 2. So where A comma B comma C are sides of triangle. So how to substitute in this one to get the value of S, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2. So this can be taken as what, 12 by 2. It is nothing but what, 6. So that value of S is equal to how much? 6. S is equal to 6. Now you have to find, you can substitute S is equal to 6 in this formula. So that A is equal to how much? That is square root of S how much? 6. 6 into 6 minus 3 and 6 minus 4 and 6 minus 5. Okay, you can simplify this one. So that A is equal to how much? Square root of 6 into 3 into 2 into 1. So A is equal to square root of 36. It will become A is equal to 6. That the root of 36 is nothing but 6 square centimeters. This is the area of the base. Now you have to find volume of triangular prism. V is equal to A into H. A is equal to how much? 6. That is 6 square centimeter into H is equal to how much? 10 centimeters. So that if you multiply this, the value of the triangular prism is 6 tens are, it is 60 cubic centimeters. So let us move on to the second question. A regular square pyramid is 3 meters height and the perimeter of its base is 16 meters. Find the volume of the pyramid. Okay, so we need to find volume of the pyramid, that is volume of the pyramid of the square pyramid, means whose base is square pyramid. Okay, that is V is equal to, what is the formula to find the volume of the square pyramid? V is equal to 1 by 3 into area of the base, that is area of base into respective height of square pyramid. Okay, so it is nothing but what, V is equal to 1 by 3 into A into H. If you want to find A, so he is given the hint, that is a base, perimeter of the base is 16 meters. It is totally square, so that all sides are equal. That is perimeter of base is equal to, that is how much total? A plus A plus A plus A, it will become 4A. He is given how much it is? 16 meters. Okay, from this we can find the side of a square, that is A is equal to how much? 16 upon 4, so it will become how much? 4 meters. So that A is equal to how much? 4 meter. Side is 4 meter. Now we need to find the area of the base. That area of the base A is equal to, what is the area? It is square, no? So you can write it as what? A into A. It will become A square. So that is A is equal to how much? 4 square will become 16. The 16 is the 16 square meter is area of the base. Now you have to find the volume. The volume of a square pyramid is equal to 1 by 3 1 by 3 into what is the area? It will become 16. 16 into what is the height? Height of respective square pyramid is 3. Yes, here 3 will get cancelled. So that V is equal to how much? 16 cubic meters. So this 16 cubic meter is nothing but what? Volume of a square pyramid. Let us move on to third question. An Olympic swimming pool is in the shape of cuboid of dimensions 15 meters long, 25 meters wide. If it is 3 meters deep, throughout how many liters of water does it hold? Okay, so let us take this cuboidal shape whose long is how much length? 50 meters. Width is how much? 25 meters. The height or deep is nothing but 3 meters. Now in order to find how many liters of water does it hold, first we have to find the volume of this cuboid. Okay, so given that what is the length? Length is given as what? L is equal to 50 meters, B is equal to 25 meters, and H, that is deep, 3 meters. 3 meters. Now what is the volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So let's substitute in this. That is 50 into 25 into 3. So what are the product of this one? 50 into 25 3s are 75. What is the product of this one? This is 3750. How many times? Cubic meters. This is cubic meter. 3750 cubic meters. Now if you want to find how many liters of water does it hold, the number of liters of water is equal to, so 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to, that is 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. 1000 liters. In order to find number of liters of water, that is number of liters of water is equal to, that is what we need to multiply m cube in the place of, we can write 1000 liters, that is 3750 into m cube is nothing but what? 1000 liters. Just to multiply this one, this is 37 lakhs 50,000 liters. Thank you.